ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka BDWS Career Academy kan penlong ya Meghalaya Scholastic Aptitude Test haka khatan riu tarik upanai March haka porship ho bajem step hashulong tura bat cleariat.
Ka Seng Congress mentaga don haga Khim Khait bat gam don Pisa Shuh ban lek yalap election sya kelengkari. Hadien baka Income Tax Department kala kurup ya ka bank account bat ka party fund jengka. Kinong yalam jong ka Seng Congress bakun thup ya u President Rangba, u Mallikarjun Kharge, ka Sonia Gandhi, u Rahul Gandhi, bat u Treasurer, u Ajay Maken, kila kren sya kilat patai kubor hanong ba Delhi, ban penrem ya kani ke jenglek ke sorkar bayalam da ka BJP, bat kila kenok ba ka BJP, ka pendon kambakla ya ke Income Tax Department. Haba kren sya kilat patai kubor, u Rahul Gandhi u laong, ba menta ka Seng Congress kamdon Pisa Shuh, tang ban thi tiket ban Shong rel ru, na ka benta kinong yalam jongka, kibalej ban yalap election. Urahul ula kenok ba ka jinglek jong ka sorkar ka daybet ban khanglat ya ka Seng Congress kenang ba kanom yok ban yalap election. U Mallikarjun Kharge pat ula ong ba ka ni ka sorkar ba yalam da ka BJP kala te nakti nakajat jong ka Seng Congress kenang ba kanom la hi Shuh. U Treasurer u Ajay Maken ula ong ba ka don arspa prapusan klur tengka ka Pisa jong ka Seng Congress hapo account ya ka ba kanom la Shuh ban penon kam na ka benta ka advertisement ni haki kam yalap election. Ka account jong ka Seng Congress kala sya kurup ha ka income tax day hadien ba ka Seng Congress kam shim lala ban penbiang ya ka jingkhen jong usnem 8,000 khat pra 8,000 khat khandai kumba ki wei ki Seng sain pertheiru ki hap ban ai jingkhen sya ka income tax man la usnem.
Anybody in the country imagines what happens when your bank account, your ATM card, your entire financial identity is erased, right? You can imagine if it is done to a family, the family will starve to death. If it is done to a business, the business will be crippled, right? This is what has been done to the Congress party 1 month back. All our bank accounts have been frozen. We can do no campaign work. We cannot support our workers. We cannot support our candidates. Our leaders cannot fly from one part of the country to the other. Forget fly. They can't take a railway train. And this has been done literally 2 months before the election campaign. Why has it been done? One notice comes from the 90s. Another notice comes from 6-7 years ago. Quantum amount, 14 lakh rupees. And punishment, our entire financial identity. Right? What's interesting to me is that there are institutions in this country that are supposed to protect the democratic framework. There are the courts in the country. There's the election commission in the country, right? And nothing is happening. The election commission has not even said, wait a minute, you have frozen the bank account of the largest, of one of the biggest political parties, largest opposition in the country. And already our ability to fight the election has been damaged. We've already lost a month. As Makanji said, we are unable to get slots for advertising. We are unable to put ads in newspapers. And so what sort of a democracy is this? This is a criminal action on the Congress party. And it's a criminal action done by the Prime Minister and the Home Minister. It's very clear. This type of activity does not happen without them in today's India. And so the idea that India is a democracy, this is a lie. There's no democracy in India today. The idea that India is the world's largest democracy is a lie. It's a complete lie. 20% of India votes for us, and we are not able to pay 2 rupees for anything. Right? And it has been orchestrated to cripple us in the elections. Now, even if our bank accounts are unfrozen today, huge amount of damage has been done to Indian democracy. And no court is saying anything. No election commission is saying anything. No institution is saying anything. Media is not saying anything. It's ridiculous. And it's your duty, and I'm not just speaking to the media, it is the duty of all the institutions of this country, it is the duty of the people of this country. You're being robbed of your most important asset. You're being robbed of your constitution, you're being robbed of your democratic structure, you're being robbed of the entire architecture, and everybody's just quiet.